Falling in the backup trap. I mean, it's perfectly fine to carry a spare tire when you're going on a long journey or pack an extra set of clothes. But if backups are all that you're thinking about, then maybe the career that you chose for yourself wasn't the right one for you in the first place. You know, we tend to focus on what may go wrong. Instead, let's be very careful while we make our career decisions. And let's focus on facts such as why am I doing this career? Or why have I chosen this career in the first place? How do I plan to grow in it? And how best can I use my abilities in this career line? I mean, there's nothing wrong in changing careers, but please change careers for the right reasons and not because you made an error while choosing it in the first time.